feeds virtually all life found on planet Earth. It works with water, sunlight, and airborne nutrients to produce the miracle of plant life.
Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? Well, today is such a beautiful day in the garden. So I'm basically taking care of the potato today. So this is the potato. This is the potato, and it's very important to put always soften dirt and put around the potato in order for you to get great harvest and get a lot of potato. You have to put a lot of dirt, and not just dirt. You have to always soften the dirt. So when you soften the dirt, the potato gonna expand. So you're gonna get big potato. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm cleaning them up. Okay, look at what I'm doing, right? Okay, now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna, all this dirt on this bank need to go around the potato. So you take the dirt and you push it around the potato, the root of the potato. I recommend doing this until harvest time. I'm telling you, because sometimes you plant the potato and you just leave them and you're not caring for them, and guess what happened? They bear some small potato like this, you know. So you want big potato, you have to give the potato room to grow. You see, I'm raking the dirt from here and I'm bringing it up to the plant. So you're throwing it around the root of the plant. So the more dirt you put, I guarantee you will have a better harvest. You see, I'm raking the dirt from down here. I'm pushing the dirt and I'm raking it up. Push and rake up. Rake it up, you see? Then I come down and I soften it and I put it around the roots of the potato.